Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
What is it the misunderstanding of Krishna's plenary expansion issue?
Yes. Krishna can expand himself. Just like you are sitting here, you are not in your apartment. Because you are conditioned. When you are in spiritual, liberated, you can also expand. But Krishna, because he hasn't got material body, he can expand in million forms. He can sit here, he can sit there. Ishara sarvabhutanam hriddesh arjuna tisthati. He is sitting everyone's heart. Everyone's right expansion. Although he is one, he can expand. That is because he is great, just like the sun is great. Therefore, if you at noontime you send telegram to your friend who is 5,000 miles away, where is the sun? He will say, on my head. And he will see that sun is on your head. Why? Because he is great. The Krishna being great, he can remain everywhere at one time. That is explained. You take the example. What is sun? That is a minute creation of Krishna. If sun can remain on everyone's head simultaneously, although one may be 5,000, 10,000 miles away, Krishna cannot remain. What did you use your reasoning for? Is the sun greater than Krishna? No. Krishna can create millions of suns. If sun has got such power, why not Krishna? Then you do not understand Krishna. So Krishna, Akilatma Bhuta, he can expand. That is, you'll find in the 13th chapter that Kshetraganchapi manavidhi sarva kshetresu bharat. Kshetraga. Just like you are a spirit soul, you are the proprietor of this body. I am proprietor of this body, you are proprietor of your body, but because I am sitting within this body, but Krishna is the proprietor of all bodies because he is sitting everywhere. Just like this house may be owned by me or somebody else, that house may be owned by him, but the whole America is owned by the state. Similarly, when there is question of greatness, that is possible, that expansion. And because I cannot expand frog philosophy, therefore Krishna cannot expand, that is nonsense. We are thinking always in terms of my position. How it is possible for Krishna to expand? Because I cannot expand. What you are? What is your position? Why do you compare Krishna with you? Yes, Krishna can expand. So many examples are given. Don't think because you cannot expand, therefore Krishna cannot expand. That is the defect of nonsensical philosophy. They formally say God is great, but when actually to be accepted he thinks, oh, how much great he should be. I cannot do this. How Krishna can do? But formally, oh, God is great. They have no idea how far God is great. That you will find in Bhagavad Gita. That would be super excellence of the science of God. Akhilatma. If you want to know how God is great, then you have to take reference of this Vedic literature, no other literature. No, it doesn't require any sitting posture. But if you can't see it, it helps you. It helps you. If you can sit straight like this, it will be very nice. You can help. Yes. You can concentrate even in chanting and hearing. Therefore, these things are required. But we are not very much particular about this sitting. But he was brahmachari, he could sit like that. That is the sign of brahmachari. He was not a false brahmachari, but he was real brahmachari.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,